So hey friends, if you are traveling abroad like UAE, Dubai, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, or any other country you are traveling, or you already reached abroad in any country, and you are facing a problem of network issue or any kind of issue, just watch this video. You will get to know about everything. So what you have to do, what Geo recommends you to, if you are going abroad, and you have to do an international roaming recharge on your number before you travel. And in case you already have reached to the country and you are not getting network, so you can do one thing. You just WhatsApp me. I have given you my WhatsApp number, and I will activate your mobile number. And in case if you're in India, so which pack you need to recharge before you travel, in this video I'm going to show you that. Okay, and in case if you face any kind of issue, you can WhatsApp me. My mobile number is given in the description, and this one is also my mobile number. You can check, this is given in the description and the comments of this video. You can WhatsApp me, and I will help you out. Okay, but this is a paid service, you have to pay for that. So what you have to do here is to scroll down. You have to go to the recharge section of the Jio app. So I will click on the recharge. Here I'm going to do, here you will see a lot of tabs on the top. Popular plans, true 5G unlimited plan. We just have to scroll, we have to just put them like this, and then here's the option of international roaming. Okay, so I will select this. Here you have to select the country that you are traveling. Say for example, you are traveling to let's say we are traveling to United Arab Emirates. Okay, so what you have to do is just click on this country and then click on show plans. So it will show the plans that are applicable in UAE. Okay, so here you can see the plan auto activates on first roaming usage. So this plan is automatically activated when you reach to the destination country UAE. This plan will auto activates. Okay, so here you can choose the plan according to your usage. See for example, if you need for 21 days, 20 days, you can go for this plan. And what are the benefits in this plan, you can check out this here. Voice 500 minutes, 100 SMS, 7 GB of internet usage data. So if you want to check it, you just click on this arrow. I will click on this arrow, and here you will see all the details of this pack. Okay, so in true 2998 plan, you are getting 250 minutes of calling. These calls will be applicable, you can use these minutes locally. If you are in UAE, you can call on the local UAE number. You can call to India also. Okay, either you have to call in UAE, or you can call back to India, and you can use these 250 minutes, right? So incoming call, for that you will get 250 minutes. You can receive 250 minutes incoming call. Incoming call can come from anywhere in the world. That is just an incoming call for you. Okay, so here is the mobile data. You will get 7 GB of high speed data, and after finishing the 7 GB high speed data, your speed will be reduced, and it will be 64 kbps speed after you exhausted your 7 GB high speed data. And apart from that, you will get 100 outgoing SMS. You can send outgoing SMS 100. Incoming SMS is always free in any operator. Okay, and pack validity is 21 days. So with that, you can also check details of other packs here. This here are, let me show you. This is Gulf pack, UAE, Oman, Qatar, and Kuwait. These packs will work in these countries. Okay, you can check out this. And here are other packs also. You just click on this world pack. There are two packs in this. You click on that. Here's 1499, 2899. There are more packs you can check. You can click on this plus. You can check other packs also here. Okay, so this way you can recharge with the pack that you, according to your usage. and there's a lot of problems you might be facing in the international roaming, like if you are getting network but you are not able to start your UPI apps, Google Pay, Phone Pay, and same happens with other operators like Vodafone Idea and Airtel, BSNL. Okay, so all these operators having these kind of issues. So to fix these issues, I'm expert in this problem. So you just need to WhatsApp me, or you can directly call me for the assistance. But remember, the services are paid. Okay. So yeah, thank you for watching this video and have a good day. Thank you so much.